Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I go by my name Excel Crypto. This video is to introduce to you a new project launched by TRON blockchain. We all know TRON blockchain, and this project is going to do well according to the team. And once again, I want to give a word of encouragement because this project is special tap to earn, because this particular one is tap to earn launched by the TRON blockchain. We all know that tap to earn project has given us a lot of headache. A special Telegram project has given us, causing a lot of BP for some of us. And here TRON blockchain has launched a tap to earn. I joined their armor and we asked them a lot of questions. We asked them, are you going to do as others normally do? After promising to the community, at the end you do your mind. Then say no, that they are not a Telegram project, that they are TRON blockchain project, that they are going to do well and reward their community. And again, they say that community is the first before any other thing they do in the project. Then we'll ask them again, are you going to take money to us for us before the TGE? They say no, that the team is capable of taking care of the project, that they are not going to take any money to any from the community. Now we ask them again, this tap to earn we are tapping now, are we tapping the coin or are we tapping the point? Then saying that for now that we are tapping the point. We ask them again, what will be the conversation ratio? They say the conversation ratio is going to be 1-to-1, and they promise us that this project is going to last only 6 months, and they are going to launch and listing on December day. So we may not know, maybe by the ending of 2025 or in the middle of December. So that's for now. Please guys, if you come across my channel for the first time, please subscribe and turn on your notification to my next video. Thank you and God bless you as this so. So guys, let us dive into the project and see how it look like. Let's go guys. So what we do now, I have to locate your browser because it's a browser, it's not a Telegram project. So let's go. I have to locate your browser. So let's go. This is Mrs. browser. So what you do, you copy the link on the description of this video, then you paste the link on your browser. So let's give it a time to load. Okay, this is the interface of the project and this is how he look like. So what you do here, you put your name, Excel Crypto, then you put your password which you can remember whenever they request it. So what do? You log in. Okay, say that invalid credited. So for now, what do you do now? You click on sign up. You put your name once again, Excel Crypto. You put your password. So what do you do now? You sign up. Please tick the box to continue. So you can wait. It's doing human verification. You click on the human verification here. So it's loading. Okay, it has signed up. So what will you do here? You click on continue, which is by this white round box by your right. Click continue. So this is the project is loading. This is how the interface look like. So what will you do here? Here, which then writes TRON. You see the image of, here you are seeing the image of TRON blockchain. So when you tap on it, as you can see, So what will you do here again? You go to here, this arrow. They have a daily combo, but you have to reach a sort of number of level. Now for now we are in level 1. So you go to here, the right, this round which then draw dollar, you click on it, you do their daily tax, as you can see. So you have received it, then you go back, then you come here, the same place again. Sorry, you go to this place, then write invite, you click on the invite. You can see how to copy your code or you invite your friend. You go back to the home page. So what will you do here? Go come back here, this place again. So I will be dropping the combo when we got into level 2, but for now we are in level what? 1. So here you have seen it. So that is all for now. Thank you guys. If you love this video, please subscribe and turn on your notification. Thank you. May God bless you as you help me to grow in this content. Thank you.